Welcome, today in front of me HTC Desire 628 and I'll show you how to adjust ringtone volume on this device. So first you should open settings application and then scroll down to the sounds and notifications section. Here as can you see we got the volume panel section, and here we got the volume panels. You can change your ringtone volume by swap these black dot to the left or to the right side by this way, and then just tap to done to confirm the changes. And also you got the second way how you can do that. Here on the right side of your device you got the volume buttons. You can use them to change your ringtone volume. You just should press your up or down volume button, and by this way you can adjust your ringtone volume on your device. And also you can do that with your finger, just swipe this dot to the left or to the right side, and that's it. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.